Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating a tight brief that guides every post. Identify who you speak to, what problem you solve, and the measurable goal for each piece of content. Once done, gather brand assets and a short shot list. Make sure lighting and composition are decided before you shoot. This cuts rework. Then choose a format, Reels, Carousel, or Single Image, and plan the opening hook for the first 3 seconds to grab attention and hold view time. You now execute the plan with intentional production choices. Start every clip with the hook, follow immediately with the quick value section, and end with a clear CTA. While shooting, alternate wide, medium, and tight shots to give editors options. Once filmed, edit to a rhythm, trim dead air, match cuts to beats, and add captions for silent viewers. Make sure color and typography stay consistent across posts so your grid reads like a cohesive brief. You finish by publishing with intention and monitoring results. Post at tested peak times, then watch reach, saves, shares, and average watch time to learn what works. Once you have data, iterate on format and messaging weekly. If a post underperforms, troubleshoot quickly. Change the thumbnail or the first 3 seconds, tweak caption hooks, and run the same asset with a new CTA. Make sure to A/B test small changes so you know what truly moves engagement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.